In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Klaviyo form on Shopify store. Start by opening your Klaviyo dashboard in your browser. Once you are in, look at the left sidebar and click on the Sign Up Forms tab. This is where Klaviyo manages every form style, including pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms that sit directly on a page. Next, click the Create Form button. You will see a template gallery. At the top of that gallery, select the Embed filter. This is important because an embedded form is designed to live inside your Shopify page layout rather than appearing as a pop-up. Choose the template you want to use, then select the list you want subscribers to join. Make sure you pick the correct list, because this is where new signups will be stored for your email marketing and automations. After that, click Publish in the top right corner. When you publish, Klaviyo will show an installation pop-up. In that pop-up, you will see a small block of code. Copy that entire code snippet carefully. This code is what places the form onto your Shopify store, so it needs to be pasted exactly as provided. Now open your Shopify admin in a new tab. This keeps Klaviyo available in case you need to recopy the code. In Shopify, click Online Store, then select Customize for your active theme. This opens the theme editor where you can place content on specific pages and sections. In the left sidebar of the theme editor, navigate to the location where you want the form to appear. Then click Add Section. From the list of section types, choose Custom Liquid. If your theme uses a custom HTML option instead, that also works for this step. Once the custom section is added, paste the Klaviyo embed code into the text box provided. Take a moment to confirm it pasted cleanly and did not cut off any characters. Finally, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor to publish the change to your store. And that is all there is to it.